Brian here, and I know it's just January 4th, 2016, but we have something like a high water here at the San Francisco River at Lake Wapapillo. You can see that right over there. The lake is really high too. The levels are rising. So, boaters, be careful. Y'all could be swept up the shore in the blink of an eye. Because the waves are really rough. And I mean, y'all, this is close up on the water. I mean, close freaking up. How close? There is river right there. It is very, very high. And all the way down there, same level. And that's it spilling out way down there. So, well, yeah, guys, I take precautions. Go okay here to these waters because the levels. And as you get technical, way down there is a fishing spot my mom loves so much, it's covered up. But I'm not going to show you all that anyway, so I just wanted to show y'all how high this river was because the lake levels here at Lake Wapapillo, Missouri. And I'll see y'all again some other time. Adios, my amigos.